Hello friends, welcome back to Raju Notes channel. This time we'll quickly see what are the top 10 emerging technologies in this year and various fields. And without much ado, let's start. In the field of medicine, microneedles have been used, and it's already in use. But microneedles are being used for painless injections and tests. Microneedles are almost the width of a human hair, and they generally avoid contact with the nerve ending, therefore you don't feel the pain. This technology is always already available and is being used for administering various kind of vaccines, but also used for clinical trials as well. Generally patients who need to take constant injections are the ones who will be affected by this innovation. Coming on to the technological advancement in chemical engineering, normal conventional type of manufacturing of the cement or any other chemicals create a lot of carbon dioxide. So now sun power is used for conversion of the raw materials into a synthesized material of, let it be medicine, detergents or fertilizers. It is direct conversion of the material into the final product, thereby cutting down the emission of carbon dioxide, which is very much essential now. Okay, coming on to the healthcare innovations or the technological advancements, we have virtual patients. In the silico medicine, it is, or the testing of drugs on virtual organs. Basically it is we are now creating virtual organs or the person as to how he will respond to various kinds of therapies, so that the human I must say guinea pigs can be replaced by the virtual humans or virtual organs. So what are the advantages of this? Basically it will make the any kind of a clinical trials faster. It will be less harmful for the humankind, and faster results and a safer results can be achieved in a very short span of time. Presently the computer simulations are being used for evaluation of new mammographic system. The advancement of computing, there is a spatial computing which has started, and spatial computing does everything virtual reality and augmented reality apps do. Basically they digitize objects that can connect via a cloud, and allow sensors and motors to react to one another and digitally represent the world. So Microsoft and Amazon are heavily invested into this. We will hear more about spatial computing very soon. Coming on to the medicine field, there is a digital medicine. Now what is a digital medicine? Digital medicine is something like apps which can detect your mental and physical disorder, and they can enhance the traditional medical care and support on the patients. This is in addition to what you generally take. The COVID-19 has helped in faster evolution of this digital medicine, and the AI bots have been fielded for more than 20 million inquiries about COVID symptoms and its treatment. Coming on to the transportation technological advancement, we have now something called as electric aviation. The conventional aviation uses the turbine jet fuel and has a lot of carbon dioxide emitting. Now the electrical aviation are taking over, and now this has helped in reducing the emission as well as also the cost, and up to 90%. The electric propellers also have an increased lift during takeoff, and also this allows in a smaller wing and overall high efficiency. So the wings need not be bulky, the aircraft size can be small, but fuel efficiency and less of carbon imprints. So the companies like Airbus, Ampere are already working on this technology. Coming on to the infrastructure technology, the present scenario where we create cement, it uses about 8% of the it emits about 8% of the carbon dioxide, and presently there is a work is being done by a startup called as Solidia, which is employing a chemical process that cuts about 30% of the carbon dioxide usually released while making cement. In the computing part, there is something called as quantum sensing. Now, quantum sensors could be transformative in enabling the underwater navigation system, or maybe an early warning system for volcanic activities, or a portable scanner that monitors a person's brain activities and more. It is expected that it will take about 3 to 5 years for such kind of systems to come into the market, but something of that sort is happening. Green hydrogen. The green hydrogen is actually produced through electrolysis, in which a machine splits the water into hydrogen and oxygen, and there are no other harmful byproducts. So the companies are presently developing the electrolyzers that can provide green hydrogen cheaply, and energy companies are also starting to integrate electrolysis into renewable power projects. Lastly, coming into the synthetic biology, the whole genome synthesis is the newest technology where the researchers use the software to design the genetic sequence that they introduce into a microbe. They thereby program it. So this ability to write our own required genome will enable the doctors to cure many genetic diseases, like if you carry some genetic disorder, or there are some diseases which are passed genetically, those can be modified and you can probably write the genetic requirement into that gene. If you recollect, in our last video we discussed that this technology itself was used for the Nobel Prize winner who worked on this kind of thing. So that's it, friends. It was a very quick update on the latest technologies. Stay tuned for more such updates, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it and do tell your friends about this. The channel is basically made for mobile compatibility, and it covers the current affairs every 15 days and useful for many entrance examinations, useful for GTOs, IOs for their lecture topics, and maybe if you are a normal any exam appearing candidate, it will be helpful. Stay subscribed, and thank you so much.